going to Typhoon Lagoon!
When you book a Disney resort at Walt Disney World, you get free entry to one of their water parks. Today, we are at Typhoon Lagoon. We scan our magic bands linked to our reservation and walk right in. We check the map to find the best spot, somewhere shady, easy to reach, near the lazy river, restroom and food. Close to the park entrance, walking toward our chosen spot, we pass lockers, dressing rooms, showers and shops. Everything you need to get ready for the day or pack up before leaving. The park just opened and the lazy river is nearly empty, but it's gonna get packed within an hour. Walking to our spot, we notice the rental cabanas. They look nice, but honestly not worth the price.
Not everybody knows that right behind Typhoon Tilly's, there used to be an attraction called Shark Reef. It was an awesome saltwater snorkeling experience. You could swim alongside real sharks and tropical fish. It closed in 2016 due to the high costs and concerns for the animals' well-being.
The spot where guests used to get their snorkels and masks is now a bar.
We settled on the area by Typhoon Tilly's, perfect for our day.
Where did my feet go?
We have our sunscreen on, and now let's go.
Right now we are going to go to the lazy river, and I hope it's going to be fun.
Our plan was simple. Chill on the lazy river, relax, float, and just enjoy the Florida weather. But with these two, especially Alex, forget it.
The lifeguards here are like robots. They never stop. Walking, scanning, back and forth with no rest. Seriously, they're amazing. Thank you, lifeguards.
Well, what was supposed to be peaceful turned into a full-on water adventure. But in the end, it is exactly how we like it.
We hit a little jam right before the waterfall, and of course, total panic!
Lazy. It's not very lazy.
And now, it's time to hit the slides.
Humunga whatever. This slide is high, fast, and wild. Mom said nope, but us, we're made for the thrills.
Hello. How was it?
Yes, again. Leo, one more time.
This time, Dad came with us. It was so fun.
The storm slides are the gentler one, perfect for everyone. There are 3 of them, and of course, we're trying them all.
The best one is Sternberger because from Mom and Dad, it doesn't break the back.
As soon as you reach the bottom of the slide, please exit. For your safety and enjoyment, please watch.
it's time for Miss Adventure Falls. It is a family ride where all jump into the same tube, and yeah, these are my favorite kind because we can experience the slide all together.
We're now going to Miss Adventure Falls. It's a family ride and it's pretty. I hope it's going to be pretty fun. Oh wait, I remember. It is fun. I bet you.
Tieni una mano qui e poi. No, dico là sopra.
Are you ready?
It's finally time for lunch. We ate light this morning. All of this movement, and we're all starving. The menu offers fried fish, fried chicken, fried fish and chicken, and fries, a pulled pork sandwich, and there is also one salad if you don't want heavy food.
Okay, Dad got these stuff, honey mustard and ranch.
No, it's not ranch.
Yeah.
No,
Yes.
tartar sauce.
And I got the tomato ketchup, and I just felt like it got some BBQ sauce.
Boom!
Finally. So we got, guess what? Fried chicken, fried fish with fries. The chips were really good. I got some BBQ sauce over here. I got some chicken strips.
How is it?
Really good.
Really good?
After lunch, we chilled in the shade for a while, and then time for the big wave pool adventure. We felt like exploring a bit, so we took a walk and ended up by Ketchakiddee Creek. It's a splash zone made just for the little ones. As you can see, the lazy river is now packed.
While walking around, we spotted Mayday Falls, a fun-looking tube slide. So, of course, we got in the line right away.
It was super fun, but almost impossible to film. The slide wasn't that fast, but it was crazy bumpy. We were bouncing all over the place.
Now we gotta get the tubes. We gotta get the tubes, and me and my brother are gonna go together.
Next up, Crush and Gusher, 3 different slides, or so they say. Why don't we do the other one? It's the same.
We tried them all. Spoiler alert, they feel exactly the same. So just pick the shortest line. Nice, I've done this before. Coconut wasn't really that extreme. This one looks new. Let's try it.
Mostly the same like coconut, but a little less powerful. Yeah. It was cool though.
Even though Alex knows how to swim, we wanted some peace of mind in the wave pool. So we got him a life jacket and headed in to face the full power of the giant wave.
Carnaio.
Dad and I stayed right at the breaking point of the wave, while Mom and Alex hung back in the shallow area where Alex could touch.
I hope no thunderstorm comes. Dude, thunder, run out the beach. Because typhoons always come over here. It's called Typhoon Lagoon from the name. Vacation success. If you hear strange noise, like thunder, you have to run. Always run when you hear thunder. We took one last flow around the lazy river, said goodbye to the big wave pool, then got changed and wrapped up the day.
Alright, we finished our day at Typhoon Lagoon and it was awesome, right?
Really, really awesome.
And for the next 2 nights, we're going to be staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's going to be so fun.
Really, really fun.
See you there.